What if you could build a brand new, faceless YouTube channel and scale it to over $50,000 a month? Sounds like a wild claim, right? But what if I told you it wasn't about luck, but about a system? I didn't use a fancy camera, and I never showed my face. I used a handful of AI tools to create everything. After digging into the strategy, it's clear that one type of tool is the engine for the whole operation. The reality is, most AI tools aren't built to make you money. They're designed to look amazing in demos, but fall apart when you try to create practical, scalable content. In this video, we're putting the three biggest names in AI video to the test: HeyGen, ElevenLabs, and Synthesia. We're going to find out which one can actually help you build a real income online in 2026, and which ones are just a waste of your time and money. The winner wasn't what I expected. So, a potential of $50,000 a month. It's a shocking number, and if you're skeptical, you should be. This isn't a get rich quick promise. It's the result of a system built for volume and quality, powered by AI. The strategy involves creating a faceless YouTube channel in a high value niche, and the core of that strategy is the AI tool I used for video and voice. To find a clear winner for profitability, I'm judging these tools on three simple, money focused factors. First, quality of the final product. Does the video actually look and sound human enough to keep viewers watching? Because low audience retention means no ad revenue. Second, speed of workflow. How quickly can you get from a finished script to a video ready for upload? In the YouTube game, volume is a huge advantage. The faster you can produce content, the faster you can test ideas, grow, and earn. And third, the most important factor, overall cost and return on investment. What does it cost, and how much content can you realistically create for that price? This is where most aspiring creators get it wrong. We're starting with the most well-known and most expensive tool of them all. If you've ever seen an AI-generated training video for a big corporation, there's a good chance it was made with Synthesia. Their marketing is slick, and their client list is impressive. They are the established professional choice, and they charge accordingly. Let's break down their pricing for a solo creator. Their starter plan, billed annually, comes out to about $22 per month. That sounds cheap until you see the fine print. That plan only gets you 10 minutes of video per month. You simply cannot build a YouTube channel on 10 minutes of video a month. It's impossible. So you'd need to upgrade. The creator plan costs around $67 a month if you pay for the whole year. That gets you 30 minutes of video a month. For a YouTuber trying to upload multiple videos a week, you will burn through that allowance in the first week. This is the Synthesia trap. Their pricing is based on minutes, and those minutes are expensive for content creators. For a solo creator chasing a full-time income, this model is built to make you fail. What about the workflow? The platform is polished, but it feels corporate. Creating a video is straightforward, but the process can feel rigid. The avatars are professional, but they sometimes lack the natural, subtle movements that make a video feel truly engaging. For a corporate training module, it's perfectly fine. For a dynamic YouTube video that needs to hold a viewer's attention, it can fall flat. So, for profitability on YouTube, Synthesia isn't the right fit. The quality is solid for its intended corporate use case, but the restrictive minute caps and high cost per minute make it a non-starter for any creator looking to produce content at the scale required for a serious YouTube income. You'll spend all your time worrying about your minute allowance instead of creating content. Next up is ElevenLabs, and it's crucial to understand this isn't an all-in-one video tool. ElevenLabs does one thing, and it does it better than almost anyone: AI voice generation. The single biggest giveaway of a cheap, AI-generated YouTube channel is a robotic, monotone voice. It destroys viewer retention. ElevenLabs solves this problem. The realism is frankly unbelievable. It captures inflection and tone in a way that is nearly indistinguishable from a human voice actor. The workflow is incredibly simple. You paste your script, choose a voice, and generate the audio file. But the real power is in its voice cloning. You can create a unique, high-quality voice for your channel, which helps your content become instantly recognizable. A powerful, Human-sounding voiceover in the first 15 seconds is often what grabs a viewer and convinces them to keep watching. Now for the pricing. This is where ElevenLabs shines for creators. Their creator plan is just $22 a month, and that gets you around 100 minutes of generated audio. Even if you need more, their Pro plan offers over 8 hours of audio for $99 a month. When you compare this to the cost of hiring a voice actor for every video, the value is astronomical. As a standalone tool for making video, it's incomplete. You can't make a video with just a voice. But as a component in your AI toolkit, its contribution to profitability is huge. For a small monthly investment, you are getting broadcast quality audio that dramatically increases the perceived quality of your content. It boosts watch time, which helps your standing with the YouTube algorithm, and that can directly lead to more ad revenue. This brings us to HeyGen. HeyGen is an all-in-one platform that offers both AI avatars and voice generation, positioning itself as the go-to tool for social media creators. Let's talk pricing, because it's a bit more complex, but infinitely better for creators than Synthesia. The ideal plan for a YouTuber is the creator plan, which is about $24 a month when billed annually. Unlike Synthesia's minute-based plans, this operates on a credit system and allows for unlimited videos with standard avatars, with a length of up to 5 minutes each. This model is built for producing content in volume. Where HeyGen stands out is its advanced features, like its hyper-realistic avatars, which consume credits from a monthly allowance. The creator plan includes a bucket of credits for these premium features. While these premium avatars look incredible, they can burn through your credits quickly, making them costly for long videos. Still, the output quality is often what allows your content to compete with human-led channels. The workflow is where HeyGen really crushes the competition for YouTube creators. I can take a finished script and generate a complete, ready-to-edit video relatively quickly. The interface is intuitive and built for speed. You choose an avatar, paste your script, and it renders the video. This speed is the engine of a monetized channel. It's what allows you to batch produce a week's worth of content in a single afternoon. Is the quality perfect? Not always. The avatars are amazing, but you can still occasionally hit the uncanny valley. But for the purpose of creating scalable, monetizable YouTube content, HeyGen's output strikes the perfect balance between quality, speed, and cost. For profitability, HeyGen is the clear frontrunner. It's not the cheapest tool, but it offers the best return on investment. The pricing model is designed for creators who need to produce content at scale, and the speed of the workflow allows you to actually do it. This tool is built to be the core of a content creation business. So, let's put them all side by side. Synthesia, polished and professional, but crippled by its pricing for this use case. The restrictive minute caps make it impossible to scale a YouTube channel affordably. It's a tool for enterprise clients, not for solo creators seeking financial freedom. ElevenLabs, a specialist tool that provides world-class voice quality for an incredibly low price. It's not a complete video solution, but it's an essential ingredient for making content that people will actually watch. HeyGen, the all-in-one winner for profitability. It delivers the best combination of quality, speed, and cost-effectiveness for any creator focused on YouTube. The credit-based system is far more flexible than Synthesia's hard minute caps, enabling the video volume necessary for growth. But here's the real secret. The key to unlocking that massive potential isn't just choosing one tool. It's about creating the perfect AI stack. The undisputed winning combination for making money with AI video in 2026 is HeyGen and ElevenLabs used together. Here's why. You use ElevenLabs for what it's best at, creating a flawless, human-sounding voiceover for just a few dollars a month. Then, you take that audio file and import it into HeyGen. You use HeyGen for what it's best at, quickly generating a high-quality video with a realistic avatar. This stack gives you the best of all worlds. You get the broadcast quality audio from ElevenLabs and the fast, scalable video production from HeyGen. The total annual cost for this dominant stack is manageable. The HeyGen Creator Plan is about $288 a year, and a starter ElevenLabs plan can be as low as $60 to $100 a year. That's a small investment for a system capable of generating significant revenue. This is the playbook. You no longer need to be a video editor or comfortable on camera to build a profitable YouTube channel. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. The workflow is simple. Use a tool like ChatGPT for your script. Feed that script into ElevenLabs to generate a compelling human voiceover. Bring that audio file into HeyGen, generate your avatar video, do a few quick edits in a program like CapCut, and upload. That's it. That is the entire process that has the potential to generate thousands of dollars a month. If you want to try the exact stack I recommend, I've put affiliate links with the best available discounts for both HeyGen and ElevenLabs right at the top of the description below. It's the best way to get started on your own journey while supporting this channel. This strategy is what works right now, in 2026. The tools are affordable, they are powerful, and they are ready for you to use. If you want a full breakdown of the 5 so-called boring niches, where this exact strategy could make creators over 6 figures a year, click the video on your screen right now. And make sure you subscribe, because the world of AI is moving fast, and I'll be here to show you exactly how to profit from it.